I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see all of the users you've blocked on Venmo on an Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Venmo app on your Apple iPhone or iPad and then tap Me on your Venmo home screen. Your Venmo settings options are displayed. Step 2. Tap the settings icon on this screen. Associated options are shown. Step 3. Swipe down to the Preferences section and then tap Privacy. Step 4. Scroll down to the More section and then tap Blocked Users in this list. You'll see the full list of all of the users that you've blocked on Venmo. If you have a change of heart, you can unblock someone by tapping their name, tapping the ellipses, tapping Unblock User, and then tapping Unblock User again in the window that pops up. That Venmo user will be unblocked immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.